butterflies. Their wingspan can range anywhere from an amazing 1 foot to a whopping 12 inches. That's why we call them the rulers of a jungle. You know, all of my facts are true. I used to be a math teacher. I was so good at my job that they asked me to work somewhere else. And right over here we have Inspiration Falls. A lot of people wonder why we call it that, but it's because if you listen really closely, it'll inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, right? Yeah, that's my #1 joke. I've been holding it in all day. I think we're hopping continents now over to the Congo River, so let's see how far this boat can go. I guess it's not very. I haven't made it past the temple yet. But if you enjoy your cruise, you recommend renting a canoe from Boats and Baits and Bites. They don't rent to me anymore though, not since the incident. And people keep saying it says boats on that sign, but boat is spelled B-O-T-E. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't speak French. Oh wow, look at that snake. Do you think this snake is bigger than the snake hiding in the back of the boat? Just kidding, just want to make sure you're paying attention. Oh man, it looks like the gorillas are calling the shots around here. Please don't make any noises like a banana. It drives them ape and they find it quite appealing. And look what they did to my truck over there. Just make sure we stay seated, please. That was a close one, I almost lost you. Yeah, but my truck, they left the lights on. I'll never get it to turn over. Hi friend, just make sure you stay seated. Yeah, don't ain't falling out of the boat. Alright, there we go. We're now entering the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. I've heard it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are we're in Africa, but I appreciate the effort. We'll get it next time. And right here we have the second most feared animal in the jungle, an African bull elephant. And on this other side we have the first most feared, his evil twin. Look at those red eyes. But he's gonna remember our faces because elephants have the best memory in the jungle. I really wish I had one like that. It would make my job a lot easier. And this is the African belt. It holds up the African pants. It is a wide variety of animals, ranging from right here to way over there. And do you see those tall things all the way in the back? Those are trees. Aww, and look, these lions are protecting a sleeping zebra. How nice of them. Yeah, he just looks dead. Tired, dead tired. Sorry, I lost my train of thought for a second. That's my bad. Well, if you think you're having a bad day today, the second guy down that tree owns the trash can we passed by earlier. The one with all the gorillas. Did you see that guy all the way on the bottom? That's Skipper Felix. Today's his first day. And also probably his last. I told him not to mess with the rhinos. It looks like he didn't listen to me, but I'm sure he'll get the point in the end. Oh, just around this corner, we should have 2 lovebirds. I mean, these 2 over here, they really, really love Bird. And Smiley and his girlfriend Ginger. Just watch out though, Ginger snaps. She is one tough cookie. I'm sorry, that joke is really crummy, but I'm gonna milk it for all it's got. Oh wait, I can't make this turn. Everybody leave the ride of the boat, leave. We're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it! We made it. That was really close. Don't worry about your falls now though, because we'll be going over it later. Isn't that fun? Is that a downed airplane in the middle of the jungle? This can only mean one thing. Hippos. It makes sense if you think about it. They're right over here. Why, just last week, these hippos sank 6 boats. Don't worry though, only 5 of them are mine. That one over there is definitely Skipper Felix's. And at this time of year, there are a lot of baby hippos around. So I think if we listen really closely, we might even hear one calling out to its mother. Let's try to hear it. Hey, Mom, it's your baby hippo. Wow, I can't believe we just caught that. Nature is beautiful. And there's some chimpanzees up here. Let me try and translate what they're saying. Yeah, no, I can't. I forgot to do that. But you know, when you forget an elephant, they have the best memory in the jungle. I really wish I had one like that. It would make my job a lot easier. Over here, this is really disappointing. It looks like all the bugs escaped. I wonder where all the fleas ended up. I just watch out for those butterflies. They are not what they used to be. because I'll be keeping mine closed. Good luck.
And now on the count of 3, I'll have everybody stand up.